Okay, guys, so I'm back. Bridges Creative Works here, and I don't think I told y'all my name, but it is Shonda. And yes, so here we are. I'm now getting ready to make these birthday decals to go on the balloons. This is what that is looking like. But I have different ones for different things. And if you hear that noise, that's my Cricut working right now. But this one had a hole in it, so it's deflated. When I was putting it on, it was hard. I'm gonna have to use a different transfer tape, but so that's what that looks like. I was like, oh, so cute. So I'm not gonna do every balloon because I have like 50 of these balloons, but a few of them I am going to do. And this says birthday girl. I have one that says you're precious, you're kind, you're sweet, you're loved. And I'm going to weed these out. And I don't know if this little light thing so I can see, but right now the lights are clashing, so I probably won't use it. I'll just press it down on here. But so that's what I'm about to do. So I'm going to let you guys just watch me weed these out and enjoy and stay tuned to the end.